Hey, Nickzilla2000 here, and I'm going to review Godzilla 1968. The detail is really good. Curly tail, big spines. Pretty good teeth. On Godzilla, he's the Japanese version. It's not like that. He doesn't have that pink. Looks nothing like this Godzilla. That's Godzilla burning up. I give this figure a 4 out of 5. Articulation, arms, they go 360. Legs, they go 360. Tail goes 360. Detail is really nice. Like, all the spines are in order. He looks like he does in all the movies. I'm gonna kill you. And King Kong comes and he dies. He looks nothing like the first edition Godzilla in 1955. So, bam. This is